You are watching Becky Vicky Hairstylist World. Please like, please subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? If you are just coming across this channel for the first time, thank you very much for clicking on my video. If you are returning subscribers, you are highly welcome. A big shout out to all my new subscribers. You guys are so amazing. Let's get started, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to achieve a perfect stitch braid. We have different types of stitch braid that is trending now. You're going to be seeing all in today's video. You're going to be seeing stitch braid like scissor braid, stitch braid with heart, stitch braid with love, stitch braid, freestyle stitch braid. You're going to be seeing lots more today, guys, and you're also going to be seeing how to achieve a perfect clean part. In our last video, I explained all this, how you can achieve a perfect clean part by using your braided gel. We have different types of braided gel, guys. We have a moldy gel, we have a China jam, we have a lot of braided gel that you can use to achieve a clean part. I don't know how clean is your part, but one thing I know is that you can't get a clean part without applying your braided gel. And also you're going to be seeing different ways of cutting your stitch braid when braiding. Like a lot of people like using their combs, while some use fingernails. You're going to be seeing all in this video. What matters is the one that suits you most. If you're the type that like comb, fine, that is very good. And also you're going to be seeing how to dress your baby hair, your front hair. You're going to be seeing all by using your flat iron and also by applying your gel wax. You're going to be seeing all in today's video. And also you're going to be seeing how to apply your styling moss. A lot of people don't know how to do that. Styling moss is also very important if you want to get a very clean and shiny stitch braid or head. Any braid is very important to use your styling moss. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed, please hit your subscribe button by supporting this channel. Let's keep going together. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified, because Becky Vicky Hairstylist, we post every day. We give tips and tutorials on how to get or achieve most of the hairstyle you are seeing in this video. All credit in this video goes to all the amazing hairstylists for putting together this tutorial and tips on how to achieve perfect stitch braid. Alright, guys, sit back, watch this video to the end. Please don't be in a hurry. Watch this video to the end, because at the end of it you are going to be inspired. You are going to learn more when it comes to stitch braid. Thank you all so much. See you all in my next video. Bye.